Guten Morgen. It's JB Jonas. It's JBRC channel. That's why my channel is called JBRC, because of these little things here. Can't fly my big plane because I cannot fly at the park where I usually do, because it's too close to the airport. I bought this thing last summer. I did some sketchy repairs on it. I needed a new propeller, but it's off-centered. It's kind of looking kind of somewhat wonky. What's the technical word for it? It's like a cam lobe, you know? It's eccentric. Yeah, that's the word I'm gonna say. It's not eccentric, whatever the word is. Not eccentric is a person that's an eccentric type of person, but there's no word eccentric, where something is not quite centered, not quite round, kind of like a cam load on a camshaft of a car. So you can see the propeller looks wobbly when I hit it. So I was on the other side of the parking lot of that company there, the electronics company. They manufacture avionics, I believe, for planes. But there's two cars right smack in the middle of the parking lot, and also gonna get my plane to work. Like the last night, it was intermittently binding and unbinding, and I got it to work finally. I said, okay, I'm gonna try it tomorrow, because it's gonna be the first flight of the spring, first flight of the year, since being April, mid-April. So if it's not working, I can't get it to work. Doesn't want to bind back, doesn't want the pair bind, whatever you want to call it, the transmitter to the receiver. So I'm trying to do that now again and again. Let's try it again. So all the switches are up in the radio. Power up. I have a feeling maybe we need to change the batteries, but still that shouldn't be an issue, because even the batteries are low. My Duracell here, even if they are low, they're still close range control, so you should be able to bind. I should be able to control the surfaces. But okay, everything's on. All the switches are in the correct position. Okay, throttle down. The safety has to be on because you're turning on. Anyways, the throttle's down. Always make sure that the throttle stick is on the off position, the down position, power down position. And then little tiny JEST connector here. You're gonna hear it. Okay, my radio is also buzzing and beeping. I have 5.6 volts of battery. When off. Now it's gonna work, but I can't fly here. Ah, man. Ah, no, I cannot fly here. There's no room. I can't go back to the other place because these guys, they're gonna be testing this electric car. Ah, shit, I can't fly here. Impossible. Let's give it a little go here. I don't know. Damn it, now it works. Let's just taxi it on the ground. I can't fly it here. There's not enough room to fly it. This parking lot's too small. I'm behind this company here. It's way too small. Oh no, let's try. There's something wonky going on. I'll taxi it like a RC car. I don't know. Whoops. I really can't fly it here. This parking lot's way too small. It's unfortunate that Yep, I don't feel comfortable taking off here. It's too small. You can see it's too small. There's a crane over there. There's power wires. There's houses back here, so I'll try it later. Anyways, maybe later, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Maybe later we're gonna fly. Bye. Bye-bye.